Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to select an entire row or column in Excel. So very basic and simple way, just select this top side like you want to select this entire G column. So in top side on G, click on it. So entire G column will be selected. Similarly, you want to select this K column, entire K column, so select here. If you want to select entire multiple columns, so firstly like select D, now press and hold Control and select another one. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not, and similar way you can select entire row.